Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kittie Nkatz, and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel so you can see more from me. So in today's video, I created this lovely, simple yet very bold Valentine's classic red lip look. I hope you enjoyed this video and you watch till the end. So let's get started on this look. For this classic red Valentine's lip look, I have chosen to go with the Insta-brows, and I will leave a link for that in the description below. For prepping my eyes, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to spread it on my eye and blend it out. For today's eye look, I'm going to be going in with this BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna first start packing this dark color here. That's gorgeous. Go in with this color as a transition color. Now I'm gonna go in with this nice bright metallic look on the inner corners of my eye. And now I'm just gonna go back in with the brush I used for the first color and just smudge out or blend it in some more. I'm gonna be prepping my face, and firstly I'll go in with this Essence All About Matte T-Zone Primer Stick, and I'll just be applying that to my T-zone area. And then I'll be going with this Maybelline Babyskin Primer, Pore Eraser Primer on the rest of my face. For today's foundation, I'll be using this Maybelline Fitme Matte Poreless Normal to Oily Skin foundation, and I'm using the shade 335, which is the classic tan. We're doing classics, baby. I'll be using this flat dense brush just to blend that foundation into my skin. That's the first application of my foundation. I'm just gonna go in with a slightly lighter second foundation just to cover up everything else, and then we'll continue on the face. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan just to highlight my dark areas, my dark under eye areas, and certain features I want to bring forward. And I'm gonna blend that out. Today I'll be using this NYX Conceal, Correct and Contour Cream palette. It's the dark palette to contour my face. So I'm just gonna start packing it on my skin, and then I'll go in and blend that out. set my under eye area using this Revlon Colorstay in the shade Translucent, and I'm gonna set it with a sponge. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with the same product. Now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in the shade 355 Cinnamon, just to bring back that color back into my skin, because I feel like I look a bit pale because of that translucent powder, like it's white. With the same translucent powder, I'm gonna pack it onto my sponge and kind of bake my nose with it. While I leave my nose area to bake, I'm gonna go in with the very same eyeshadow and blush palette, and with this color for blush. I'm not gonna pick up a lot because it looks very pigmented. And it is. And then take a fluffy brush and just dust off that powder. Now I'm gonna go in back with that eyeshadow palette, just choose that translucent powder and do the under of my under eyelid area. I'm gonna choose a different brush, just a more pointy brush. Take that dark color and just smoke out my eye. I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner with this Wet n Wild Megaliner by Wet n Wild. Go in with this Bold Express by Passion mascara, and just for highlighter, I'll be using these two highlighters from Makeup Revolution, using the darker gold for my cheek area. Then I'll pick up that gold color, place it on the tip of my nose and just there by the bridge, and then buff it out. Lighting with that nice dark gold. For that classic red lip, I'm gonna first go in with this Essence Kajal pencil in the shade 08 Teddy, just to line my lips. Then for the red lipstick, I'm gonna be using this liquid matte lip color in the shade Engine Red, and this is by Yardley. It's the Fast Day. It's pointless trying to show you this because it has wiped off. But this is my favorite red. with this Wet n Wild, I think it's carrot gold lip color, and just spread it on the center. Now I'm gonna finish off the look by applying my lashes off camera and just adding some setting spray. So not only are my lashes on, but I also whipped on some hair makeup, woman. We're gonna set this look using this Remy London Insta Fix and Go setting spray. This is the end of the video, guys, and thank you so much for watching till this very end of this video. Bye.